Hello friends, welcome to another video of TradeLikeFxmakk. On this video I am going to break 3 of the trades which I gave in my Telegram channel last week. Like, we consistently do the analysis of the pairs we are interested in on weekends in my Telegram channel, and then every week we break down our favorite pairs for the week which we would be trading. Now last week we had taken these 3 trades. First of all, breaking gold. So the view was that gold was at a very critical space on the weekly time frame, right? We had this previous weekly bullish engulfing candle also, and here you could see that gold had created a bullish move upside. But now the thing was that we were at a critical level on the 4-hour time frame, from where we had seen rejection every time. Like, we have strong rejection on this level here also, and like in the past also we had strong rejection from this key level. Now the thing is that new buyers had entered on the breakout of this level. See this level. Okay, so new buyers had entered somewhere over here, and the day traders who are just day trading, they might have like entered position longs on this breakout, because this is a very strong breakout. Like, the attempt of this breakout on the smaller time frame, wait, I'll just show you on the smaller time frame. Yeah, see, that was on the 4-hour time frame which we saw. Now on the smaller time frame we had an attempt to break this level over here. There you go. Okay, yeah, we had an attempt to break this level, and over here we could see that there were many buyers entering in. Like, I do not just trade normally, I use some extra confluences also, and I use volume also, which, like, I'll show it to you in some other videos. This is like just a trade breakdown. I'm just showing 3 setups which we have taken. So we saw that, and then we saw that multiple sellers were getting in on this strike, plus this was a strong high time frame resistance. So that was one of the reasons that we entered sells. We were anticipating a potential retest. Then we booked some partials over here at around 1:4, 1:5, and we are still continuing to hold this trade. Apart from that, we had taken some sell positions in Euro CHF. As you could see, the previous week had been strongly bearish, and we were anticipating the move to go further, but we saw a strong retest on this level over here, and we had like got some trades previously also from this level. So we just, what we did is that what we did over here, we just did it over here again. Like, we were anticipating sells from the strong level. Once again you can see that the choppy structure, and then we came to sell. Once again you can see the choppy structure break, and we came and we sold. So that is it. Like, this trade I am still holding through the weekend. We booked some partials over here at 1:3, and we are still holding. The stops are at break even. We are holding it for our complete 1:5 take profits. Now moving to the third trade. This trade I had not personally entered, but I had given in my Telegram that whoever feels like risking on this trade can risk, because it was like a little bit risky entry for me. The weekly was superb in this trade. The previous week had the superb rejection candle, but this week we had a really strong bullish move, and like, I could not see great strength in selling, but at this particular movement we had like good amount of selling coming in. So that is the reason I had updated in my Telegram channel that those who wish to risk can take this trade also. This trade also like ended up coming till 1:3, yeah, and then we are having a retest further, and those people who are holding, they are holding this. I was waiting to get one more extra confluence to enter this trade, but unfortunately I did not get the extra confluence, otherwise I would also have entered this trade. So like, this was just like a short, say, recap of the previous week. the 3 trades that we had taken live in the Telegram channel before entering. Like we had updated all these trades before entering when the markets was over here. Okay, and we do this every week inside a Telegram channel. Like on the weekend we analyze the markets which we are interested in, and then throughout the week I keep updating. So if you want to join the Telegram channel, the link is in the description, as well as you can get the link in my bio. So you can like just join the Telegram channel, see for yourself that how we are trading, and get some knowledge. Like knowledge is one thing which I would support the most. Do not enter the Telegram channel just for the signals or just for the trades or something. Like enter to actually learn the skill, because once you have learned the skill, then like it is just you, like then no one can stop you. So that was it for this week, guys. Now if you want to join the Telegram channel, one more thing is we have a community where you can ask questions to me regarding any of the trades which I broke or something. Inside the Telegram channel you will get the link to the community also. Okay, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you. FXmakk on this side.